Welcome back to the second part of the Hangman project. So in the previous part, we had selected a one word randomly from the 6 words vector. Now in this, we'll be assigning blank spaces for those words, number of letters that would be equal to the number of blank spaces. And yeah, let's see the code. So all this we had seen in the previous video where we select one word randomly from the set of words. Now this is the new function where the function is word display. So basically the input is the word whatever it has been selected from here. Now we have a display word where for every character in that word we are displaying with one underline or one underscore. So for example, if the word is programming, for P one underscore, for R second underscore, for O one more underscore, and so on, we keep giving underscore for the number of words in the number of letters in the particular word. And then we display the display word. So this word with the number of underscores, so the equal number of underscores, it is called as display word. So and again here in the main function, and again, so we have first we'll be displaying the selected word, the proper word, original word what the user has selected, that is the programming, I mean the randomly the computer has selected, and now followed by the display word, that is number of underlines in this one. So let me submit it. So we would have, yeah, so the word selected is learning. So we have around the equal number of this thing, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we'll have around 8 underscores, 1 2 3 4 5 7 8. So yeah, and now in the next part we'll be seeing what the user enters L, then we'll fill this particular place with L, and then we don't reduce the number of moves. If the user guesses A, which is not present in this word, then we reduce the number of moves by 1, and then we don't fill anything, we return the same thing back. So let me submit the program. So test case is passed, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.